Welcome back. So now what we need to do is that we need to work on the About Us page. So if I click here on this navigation drawer, we have the About Us. And if I click on About Us, nothing is going to happen. So we need to activate these buttons. Even if I click on Home, nothing is going to happen. So we need to activate these two buttons. So the first step is that we need in the Kv file, in the main.kv, what we want to do is that we want to add event listeners to these buttons. Remember, where are these buttons? These buttons are in the here, here, the one line list item. Remember the one line list item. So we have here the home and we have the about. So here, what we want to do is that we want to add on press event, on press, on press, meaning that whenever the user presses on one of these buttons, on the home or the about, nothing, something is going to happen. So here, what we want to do is that on press, we want 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to access the root, and then we want to access the nav drawer, the navigation drawer. Remember this navigation drawer, this nav drawer. And then what we want to do with this nav drawer is that we want to use the set state function. We want to say set state, and then the state is going to be close. So what close? What does this mean? Close. This is going to close the navigation drawer. If I click on home, we want the navigation drawer to be closed, but we want to go to a page, to a specific page. So which page do we want to go? If the user clicks on the home page, we want obviously to go to the home page. So to go to the home page, we need to say root, and then we need to say dot screen manager. Remember, we need to make reference to the screen manager, and we want to say dot current current, and then the current is going to be equal to the name of the page that we want to go to. So what is the page that we want to go to? We want to go to the name of the page. So the name of the page is home screen. So here I'm going to say is going to be equal to home screen, home screen. Similarly, screen. Similarly, in case the user clicks on the about, what we want to do is that we want to say on press, and then we want to 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, by the way, it should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to access the root first, and then we want to access the nav drawer, set state, and then we want to close the navigation drawer, and then we want to access the root dot screen manager dot current, and then the current is going to be equal to the about page. So the about page has a name of about screen. So here I'm going to say about screen. Now let me save everything and let me run my application. So if I run my application,